Here we have a Revit file which we want to convert to an AutoCAD format. To convert the Revit file, we will go to File and we will go to Export, and in the CAD formats we will click on TWG format. So if you want to export only active view, here I have a ground floor view active, so it is showing only ground floor plan. But if you want to export all the drawings including the 3D, you have to make a new set for the drawings. To create a new set, we have to look at our options that we have in session view and we have a current view sheet only. So I want to create a new set of drawings which I want to export. So I will click on new set and then I will rename the new set as So as you can see, once I have created a new set, I have all the active drawings and sheets, including the section views and the ceiling plans, floor plans, everything is showing in this list. So I will select the drawings which I want to export. So I have to export ground floor, mezzanine floor, section 1 and the 3D view. So I will click on include 3D view, include floor plan and ground, include floor plan at mezzanine, and then include section 1. But hold on, if you want to export the drawings with some customized properties, you have to select the export setup. So we have in session export setup. So I will click on the modify button, and then you can see the layers, lines, patterns, text and fonts, and so many other options are available in this area. So if you want to export the drawing of AutoCAD in some specific styles, you have to select all the styles in this area. Let's see the layers style. As you can see, we have lot of materials and lot of items used in this drawing. So all are available in this section, and the specific layers with names are available in projection and cut. So every option which is available in the Revit is shown in this list, but the layers which are active are only be exported in AutoCAD format. For example, in the category, if you want to open the curtain panels, as you can see, we have glass curtain panels and the hidden lines, and it will be shown in AutoCAD as a-glaze.curtain, and the color is also available. These are the numbering of the colors, and in the cut section we have layers and the colors as well as lines. We have all the available lines which are shown, and these will be generated automatically as a line type. Next we have patterns and text, fonts, everything. So if you want to customize the properties of the exported AutoCAD file, you have to open up this section and then change all the properties. We will make a separate tutorial for these properties and the customization of these properties, but for now we will stick to the plan as we have to export all the files. After creating the set and selection of drawings, we have to click on next, and then we have to save the file. So let's go to desktop and create a new folder. Let's name it as house 1, and then select this folder, and after that we have to select the file type of the AutoCAD. Then the naming will be automatic, and we have to click OK. So this is the folder which we have created with the Revit export option. As you can see, we have 3D view, we have floor plan of ground, mezzanine, and the section 1. So here we are in AutoCAD, and as you can see, the drawing is exported with all the properties which are shown in the Revit. But in the Revit we have no coloring, and we have the edge of coloring in AutoCAD, and also we have the section view, and then we have mezzanine floor. So let's check that if we have layers in the AutoCAD are correctly connected to the lines, or the options are correct or not. So first of all, let's see the text. So we have area text identification layer, then we have an hatch. So these are the hatches of floors. So let's go to home, and we have floor pattern. Also we have some dimension layer, annotation dimensions, and then we have the section of the contour, and this is called C topo. Next we have the section view. As you can see, the section view is also created. Also we have roof. So this is a dash roof. And in the mezzanine floor, as you can see, the mezzanine floor is also created correctly. Let's check the stair. So this is S dash stair, and we have some model in places. So these are the group of models, and this is a wall family. Most importantly, we have also created a 3D view, and as you can see, the 3D view is also exported to AutoCAD. Rotate this 3D view. As you can see, the perfect 3D view is also created. And if you change the visual style to realistic, you can see, as you can see, the realistic visual style is also applied, and the coloring of 3D, including the building pad. If you want to learn the building pads, you can click on the I button for the building pad video. And also we have created some curtain walls, glass panels. As you can see, the surface is also created with the topographic map. That's all for this export option. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, please hit like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.